Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you two AI video generators you can try for free and explain what each one is best for. First up is Google Flow, powered by Google's VO models. You can describe a scene using a simple text prompt and generate video clips, or even turn an image into a moving video. Flow also lets you reuse assets and keep elements consistent across different scenes. The important thing is that Google's Flow availability and usage limits can change, so check the current plan and credits available to your account before generating. Some features and higher usage limits are tied to Google AI subscriptions. The second option is Skywork AI. It's more than just a video generator. You can use its AI workspace to create content and generate videos from simple prompts. Skyworks Video Agent can turn an idea or script into a video and offers different video creation workflows. Skywork also provides free options and credits, although the exact amount can vary by plan and promotion. So, before you start generating, check the current credit balance and limits shown in your account. So, which one should you use? If you want cinematic AI video generation and more creative control, try Google Flow. If you want an AI workspace that can help with video and other content creation, Skywork is worth trying. Both give you a way to test AI video generation without immediately paying for a premium plan. If this video saved you some money, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.